Let us see one more example of if-else statement. So in the previous video, we wrote one condition for max marks, which is an integer variable. Now let us see one example with string variable. So let us say our friend is inviting us to watch a tournament and we are not sure if we want to go. So we decide that we will go only if we like the sport for whichever the tournament is conducted. So we ask which sport is it. Now if the tournament which our friend wants to go is for tennis, then we will say yes, I want to go because we like tennis. Yeah. Else if the sport is not tennis, then we are going to say that we don't want to go. So let us write the if statement for this condition. So how will we write? We'll write if sports equal to tennis, and tennis we will put within single quotes because it is a string, and then the colon, enter, tab, now print within brackets, within single quotes, yes, I want to go to this tournament. Then we write the else, colon, enter, tab key, then we write print within bracket, within single quotes, sorry, I do not want to go to this tournament. Now, luckily, our friend also, when we ask this question, they also say that the tournament is a tennis tournament. So let us create a variable called sports because we were checking for sport here, right? Sport equal to tennis within single quotes. Now save the file and run the code. So we have a sport called tennis and we have written the condition that if it is tennis, we want to go to the tournament, else we don't want to go to the tournament. So since the sport was tennis, the output of that condition was true, and so yes, I want to go to the tournament was printed. Now let us change the sport value to badminton. So let's say our friend said badminton. So here we put badminton. Now let's save the file and run the code. Now Python prints that you do not want to go because the sport is not tennis, so the condition is not true. So the else block is run where we have written sorry, I do not want to go to the tournament. So until now we wrote only one condition with our if statement. We wrote if statement with one variable which is an integer variable or one string variable.
I hope you understood this. In the next video, we are going to see a new interesting if-else concept. Until then, bye-bye.